Good morning, everyone. Today, February 11th, on the Thursday, I want to give you a market, pre-market, and yesterday recap very quickly. The day opened with higher but pulled back after first hour yesterday. Dow, however, closed a record high after Powell continued back in the low interest rate. Powell stressed that accommodative monetary policy is still necessary to combat the economic uncertainty caused by COVID-19 pandemic. S&P 500 down 0.03%, ending 3909.9, and Nasdaq was down slightly, ending 13,972.53. Better than expected corporate earnings from Lyft and Twitter sparked a 11%, 16% surge in their stock price respectively. Cannabis stocks continued to surge and oil price also rose. Hong Kong Brokerage FTSE, that's a stock symbol FUTU, rallied 7% to 165.25, but came up way off in the intra high of 204.25. U.S. federal budget balance for months is a deficit of $163 billion, which is $13 billion more than the forecast and $19 billion more than last reporting. CLN has slightly beat both top and bottom line, but stocks slip 1.27% to $78 after trading hour. ORLY has beat both top and bottom line, but revenue is $0.38 billion lower than last quarter and much lower earnings per share than previous quarter. Stock has dropped 1% after trading hour. Asian market closed with moderate gain. U.S. futures are all in green, given the optimistic support for FED Federal and bullish Chinese market. Initial jobs claim actual is 793,000 versus consensus of 753,000. U.S. core consumer price index month-to-month comparison unchanged. While Disney, Pepsi Company and Kraft are among big names reporting. Pepsi and Kraft both have better than expected top and bottom line, and shares at pre-market slightly up. Investors may want to consider selling into strength, especially with greatly extended stock. If the stock market rally has a moderate pullback in the near future, you'll want buying power to take advantage of opportunities with strength returns. If the market rally falls into correction, you'll be glad you took some profit in the top. So, well, hopefully you understand what the layman term is. Even if today the pre-market is up, things look great. If you noticed yesterday, the market was up in the first 30 minutes, very great, and then dropped down very quickly. And then with good news, it's rebound a little bit in the intraday, then go down again. And then because of Powell backing up the interest rate, it seems to be laying out as possible for Dow, and that was slightly down only. So just bear in mind, the market will see continuous relativity. It is very critically important for you to pick the right stock. If you watch my video and you bought it last week, you know that you'll be glad. And for those stocks that I have mentioned that which you bought in, I advise you to lightly, which I will only take 20%, okay? 20 to 25% of what I recommended you to buy and sell them and capitalize it. And if other stocks you're holding for longer time and making pretty good profit, like I would say 20% plus, you can consider selling half of them now. So you can reserve some cash. Cash is the king. You can wait and the market tip back a little bit, like 10, 15%, whatever. Then you can buy back, okay? So I hope that giving you great tips, and have a nice and wonderful day. Give me a thumbs up, and I will post another video probably this week about investment strategy 101, how to make $50 every day, and also maybe more a revisit of $50 but pick a different stock rather than Tesla. Tesla now is getting too big, $800 a share, and also some other tips of investing, and maybe picking a couple of stocks they're going to share with you what to buy for next week. Thank you. Have a nice day.